Hello and welcome to episode 9 of Building the BigBeigeBox, and in today's episode we're going to be installing Windows 98 2nd Edition, hopefully. Now, I still got my lights up, because it's still Christmas, as of recording this, but it's going to be New Year's Eve, as of uploading this. So, Happy New Year's! But we're just going to get right into just installing Windows 98. Floppy disk seek. We don't need a floppy disk to install Windows 98 though. Now, in the last video, hard disk C, so it should do C. Now if I say boot from hard disk, the hard drive indicator blinks for a split second. Anyways, now this should be really fast. This is an SD card after all, which is probably going to max out the IDE. So we're just going to start Windows 98 setup from CD-ROM. Bunch of thing managers for DOS, ASPI. Okay, so we're going to set it up. We're going to press enter. Now I'm going to go get my product key queued up. Wow, that's fast. It's going to take a long file system, of course, because it is the bajillion gigabytes. It's 32, whatever. So it's copying files needed for Windows setup. Oh no, I need a mouse, don't I? Well, I'll go grab a mouse. Now this has a Windows 3.1 like thing. This is kind of like the new Windows pre-installed environment. That's really weird. Anyways, let's continue. Flickery mouse cursor. See, oh wow, this is going quite quick. But we are going to be limited by the CD-ROM speed, not the this speed, because this also is running on that high-speed bus thingy. C Windows will work. Should we do C Windows or Win98? We're going to do Windows. We're going to do custom and basically install everything. Accessibility. Tools change keyboard sound, display and mouse layout, mobility. Includes the magnifier tool and accessibility with the high visibility. Oh, mouse cursors? Cool. Oh, that one's a big one. Big as in it's gonna fit easy. File between computers, go synchronizing, which is pretty cool. It takes up no megabytes. Performed mathematical calculations. That's what a calculator does? Oh. Desktop wallpaper. Yes. Document templates. Games, absolutely. Mouse point, imaging, image view, ActiveX, custom controls, and Twain support. Mouse pointers, abso-freaking-lutely. Paint, yes. Quick view, previous doc without opening it. Oh yeah. Screensavers. Additional, flying through space, mystify your mind, curves and colors, scrolling marquee, and blank screen. Those, I never knew the full name of those. What's this one? Flying Windows logos. Literally it's flying windows. OpenGL screensavers. 3-dimensional screensavers. Okay, so all of these screensavers are actually really tiny compared to all the OpenGL ones. Windows scripting host. Scripts help automate Windows, of course. And WordPad. Now address book, of course, we'll probably get that. Communications. I don't need to dial up anything, really. Such as the internet. Phone dialer. We'll just keep it set default. I don't really want to have most of this stuff. Net meeting. Call people on the internet or LAN. While on a call, you can talk to someone, share applications, draw on a shared whiteboard, and send files and messages. We're gonna get the VPN one just because it sounds cool. You know what? We're not even gonna care about that. We're just gonna do all that. Internet tools. Wallet. Internet connection sharing, allow multiple. No. Well, actually, I do kind of want to see what that does. Secure place to store private information for internet shopping. Sounds fun to me. Web publishing. And web-based enterprise management. Multi-language support. I don't need multiple languages. I speak English rather well. Multimedia. We're going to need sound schemes. We're going to need sample sounds. Does that mean it doesn't normally come with system tools? Oh, we're going to need all of these. System monitor. System resource view. Nope, I want to select all. Boop. Web TV for Windows. Alright, so it's going to take about 1/3 of a gigabyte. Wow. There's nothing we can do in here. Alright, anyway, sorry about all that. That was a lot of picking out stuff. We're just going to go next. Computer name. Oop. Big beige box. Computer description. This is the big beige box. Okay. Keyboard layout, that all looks right to me. United States. And next. Check out Windows Update. Stay up to date with this web-based extension of Windows 98. Web-based extension of Windows 98. Remember how they basically built Internet Explorer into Windows 98, like completely, so that you couldn't remove it? Yeah. Anyways, the update wizard reviews your system, recommends the updates you need, and can install the updates you select. Using Windows Update, you can quickly find answers to your questions about Windows 98, and I couldn't read it. Please register your copy of Windows 98. We really want you to. Windows 98 team. Restart now. And let's hope that it will boot up properly. megahertz. Now if I boot from hard disk, let's hope it works. It could be that it just didn't have a boot message. It worked! Oh wow, it updated files real quick. We're gonna do BigBeigeBox. Box. So let's see. And for this, we're gonna do YouTube. And we're gonna accept the agreement because I'm sure it doesn't say they're gonna steal my data because they can't. It's not really gonna connect to the internet. And the product key. Let's see what that is. I sure hope nobody copies it. Let's see. Oops, I typed that wrong. I keep typing it wrong. Okay. Oopsie doopsie. Windows 98 saved all information. And now we're gonna start. Let's start back into setup, I mean. Of course it's I like how the blue turns to like a greenish color when they hover the magnifying glass over it. I love this animation. It's just a cute little computer you might be installing this onto. Except it's got a magnifying glass. This one's moving faster. Oh, I bet it's based on the speed of the computer. Is the end of each logo supposed to be cut off right there? I assume so. And I'm gonna keep the CD in. And this should fly. Not fly, fly. Yep, it's still doing stuff. And we're gonna do a boot time test. Just for fun. We need to get speakers. Okay, let's see. 9:41. Nope, it's 8:41. Should be -5, I think. 9:42. I'm sorry. Yep. 8:41. Oh. We have to go select it with our mouse. 41. 40. And we'll set that right now. It's going to be a second off. Apply. December 20th. How about 25th? Oh, December 2020. Okay, I'm stupid. MS-DOS program settings. I don't have any MS-DOS programs installed. Sorry. Anyways, everything should just run so fast on this. It's almost like running in a virtual machine, but whenever it accesses the CD drive, it's not like running in a virtual machine. Also, it's just a slower processor, so it's not going to be as fast as running in a virtual machine, but it is very close, very similar. Okay. See? Did TNT stuff on it, now it's on the bio screen. I can't see it because you're on the other side of the room. Copy sync. It should go to the HPT366 thingy. Yep. Should drag. Yep. And up. Good. Alright. That's not what it sounds like. Completed update. Continuing to load. Uh-oh. Is it in the loop or just... Okay. Plug and play monitor. Yep. Updates or something. Nice. That's gonna put taking a really long time for some reason. Just turn it down a bit. Anyways, we're just gonna close that And now that it's done all of its first setup thing, let's just look around. Let's open up my computer, see how fast that is. Oh, that's fast. Why'd I try to open the floppy disk? But I can go, see, program files, accessories. It's making a clicking, I think. Save that, see how quick it saves. Is there pictures? There isn't. Save that as scribble, quite frankly. Just Alt F4 out of those things, and if I Alt F4 on desktop, we can shut down. Okay, boot test. Just to see how long it takes to boot. And I'm sure we can improve this by disabling a bunch of the stupid BIOS features. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hit the key on the keyboard that I said it, see? Now it shows this screen for too long, so if I swapped out the graphics card I could boost speed by about 5 seconds. I could disable floppy seek, that would boost speed. I sound so insane. I could disable this probably. I don't know, but everything, this motherboard is just bloated up. Ooh, from hard disk. Oh no, I tainted the results. I'm gonna take that disk out actually. But in general, it takes about about 45 seconds or so. But if you liked this video, be sure to give it a like, and if you disliked it, you can leave it a dislike. And if you want to see whenever I install all the drivers and software and all the stuff, be sure to, you know, subscribe and turn on notifications. So you get notified when I upload that. Now we're just going to do this again. You can hear when it turns on based on the okie dokie, let me just turn this off real quick. That's weird. Why did it make that weird noise? Wait, why did I turn it back on? Okie dokie. The booby was weird and I think it probably tainted our results, so we're gonna reset again. Anyways, yeah. Be sure to do all those things if you wanna, you know, just support the channel. It takes about 10 seconds just to get to the actual computery bits. It takes about 3 seconds to do floppy seek. This takes up about 6 seconds. And then that takes about 20 or so seconds. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. So we're just gonna shut it down. And this is the last video for the entirety of 2020. Okay, I was about to say why I had to turn up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed all the videos we did. And that's gonna be it for the entirety of 2020. I'll see you next year. Bye.